Hello teacher and mates. In this video first I'm gonna give a short introduction by myself. Okay, my name is Karen Vanessa Ñañez Martinez. I'm 17 years old. I'm student and I'm single. I live in Mercaderes Cauca. Now I'm gonna give some comparisons between bedroom A, this bedroom, and bedroom B, this bedroom. Okay, we can see bedroom B is bigger than the bedroom A. Another comparison is the bedroom B is more modern than the bedroom A. Also, the bedroom B is more beautiful than the bedroom A. And the bedroom B is more comfortable than the bedroom A. Besides, there are two beds here. And the bedroom A is darker than the bedroom B. And finally, we can see the bed of bedroom A, this bed, is older than this bed of bedroom B. Okay, it's all. Thank you. Bye bye.